My lord, there is some problem with my camera.
Oh, no, doesn't matter.
Yes,
Okay. Considering the above and by balancing the equities, while this writ petition is allowed and the impugned award dated so and so is set aside, a direction is given to pay the entire back wages, including the period mentioned above. Additionally, the petitioner is directed to make a payment of an amount of rupees 3 lakh to the workman as lump sum compensation in view of the long period of service rendered, though with interruption, and the period of litigation. The aforesaid amount be paid within a period of 45 days from today. Writ petition accordingly stands allowed in the manner indicated above.
my lords, only one thing, that precedent thing. Hope it has come, my lord.
No, this we have given as an extraordinary power of 2026.
Very well,
Obviously,
my
it will not be a precedent. We have in
very,
fact interfered with the award.
very well, my lord. I'm so deeply obliged. I'm deeply obliged. my lord.
See, in the light of them, my lord, that case of Madhura Patila, my lord, the state level scrutiny committee was constituted by the government of Assam.
Now, what is your prayer?
My prayer is that, my lord, SC certificate has been issued. Confirmation was given by the assistant commissioner, who is totally.
What is your prayer? What do you
My
want?
prayer, my lord, I pray for a listing of today, my lord.
Today?
My urgency is that, my lord, the matter is pertaining to nomination paper, my lord.
Today it will not be possible. Do it tomorrow. Tomorrow.
May please proceed.
Calling into tomorrow.
May please proceed. My a repetition file against the judgment and order of revenue. So my lord, I filed on 17. So I expected to yesterday, but tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow.
Much
Motion matter.
motion.
Okay, tomorrow, definitely.
May I please, your lordship,
Yes.
like to mention item number 9, your lordship.
9.
9. I have
Yes.
taken the concern from the other side, your lordship. Mr. K. Masan has went to his native village, your lordship. Kindly matter be fixed after 2 weeks.
9.
9, your lordship.
On a request made on behalf of 3 K.M. Hassan, learned counsel for the petition. What about the consent?
I've taken the consent, your lordship.
Learned counsel for the petition matter is adjourned to be listed on when, madam?
After 2 weeks, your lordship.
To be listed on today's 19th. We'll have it on
After due vacation.
after we adjourned to be listed on 22nd of April.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
With the consent of the other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 12, my lord.
12, yes.
It may come up along with a WPC number 148 of 2024. There is a batch of writ petition admitted for hearing, my lord.
Sri R.S. Misra, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that there are matters, there are some other petitions on the same subject,
My lord.
including WPC
Number 148 of 2024.
148 of 24.
24, my lord.
Para. Matter accordingly stands adjourned to be listed along with WPC so and so on when?
That is not, it is admitted for hearing, my lord. That matter, sir.
For hearing, in the immediately after the Bihu vacation.
My lord. Much obliged.
Please, your lordship.
But it has not been admitted as yet. It will not come for hearing.
Lord, that is true, my lord. Those are admitted, my lord. This is not been admitted.
We can we issue rule and have it for that will be
My
better.
lord. My lord.
Okay, anybody CGC? Yeah, there. Okay, don't write it. I heard Sri R.S. Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri S.S. Roy, Learned CGC. Where Sri Misra has submitted that similar matters, including WPC 148/2024, are directed to be listed for hearing for Sapara. In view of the above, the present matter is also admitted for hearing. List along with WPC 148/2024.
Much obliged.
Please, your lordship. Your lordship, with regard to item number 6,
Hmm.
I want to withdraw the writ petition as the writ petition stands satisfied.
What is your name?
B. Yadav.
Sri B. Yadav, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that during the pendency of this writ petition, the grievances have been redressed, and accordingly, he has instructions not to press this writ petition. Anybody from the other side? PWD? Public Works Department, who normally appears? D. Nath, then S. Sharma, M. Das. Mr. Doctor? M. Das or S. Sharma, normally they appears. Also heard Sri N. Goswami, Learned State Council, Sri R. Borpuje, Learned Standing Council, Revenue, and Miss M. Das, Learned Standing Council, PWD, who do not have any objection. Para? Writ petition is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal. Please inform Madam Das and ask her to come once.
May I please, your lordship, in item number 2, lordship, we have filed an additional affidavit today. Kindly recognize. Much obliged.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention listing of an writ petition on 25th of March.
Motion.
No, your lordship, as per the last order dated, it was supposed to be listed for admission hearing.
Matter of which year?
2025.
25. What is the urgency?
Your lordship, the matter pertains to bank account being freezed due to non-payment of EPF4 dues.
You file an application before the registry to be listed. Not by mention. Yes, madam.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition, lordship, the matter pertains to eviction in forest land, lordship.
Motion. Motion is
Tomorrow,
tomorrow.
lordship. Much obliged.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship. I've taken the consent of the other side.
13.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
Yes.
kindly fix it after 2 weeks, Lordship.
You are for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioners, matter is adjourned to be listed when?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Listed on 22nd of April. It'll go after the Bihu vacation, 22/4. Yes.
May I, lordship, bring a listing to writ petition for motion lodge eviction
When?
tomorrow, kindly lordship.
Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, your
May I please, your lordship, I'm praying for listing of every petition.
New matter.
No, it's an old matter, but it's
Oh, which year?
25 December.
24. What is the urgency?
Lordship, it's a matter relating to housing loan of the petitioner from.
These are not urgent matters to be listed out of turn. If there is urgency, approach the registry. Mention memos are only for urgent matters, which something is going to happen tomorrow. Like yes, madam.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for the one WPC for motion, lordship, tomorrow, lordship.
Yes.
My apologies, Lordship. In item number 13, there is an interim, Lordship, which may be clear.
13. So interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, your lordship. The
Yes.
consent of the other side have already been taken, your lordship. Item 5.
You want
Lordship,
what?
I pray that the matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, your lordship.
We'll go after the Bihu vacation. Okay. On a request made by Sri K.J. Saikya, Learned Council for the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on 24th of April. Okay. 24/4.
I'm for response second.
Sri, your legal aid council.
Yes.
Sri Sri S.S. Roy, Learned State Council, comma, Miss, revenue. Okay, Sri N. Goswami, Learned State Council, revenue, Sri R. Borpuje, Learned Standing Council, Revenue Department, and Sri K.M. Haloi, Learned Legal Aid Council, for the respondent number 7 are present.
Lordship, there is an interim order that may.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 1. Contacting council here, Bhuya has some difficulties. Kindly fix the matter on Monday.
Okay. On a request made on behalf of Sri A.R. Bhuya, Learned Council for the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday. Sri S.S. Roy, Learned State Council, and Sri S. Datta, Learned Standing Council, PNRD are present. Monday means Monday ka date dijiye, hai? Which date? 23rd. 23rd. Okay.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention one WPC for motion, lordship. Please list this matter on Monday, lordship.
Yes. Roy, Mati Divasu, Roy, Dimla. What is this?
FIR not raised.
Yes, that FIR copy not given to you.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the instruction?
The preliminary inquiry is going on and petitioner was asked to They said they were asked to call them, but they have not turned up.
You appear,
My lord, notice, they should give the notice, my lord, under section 35.
no, you have been called.
No, my lord.
And thereafter visited their, as per this instruction.
As per my instruction, no so notice under section 35 was given, my lord. Without giving a notice, my lord.
You issue a notice, he'll appear.
Yes, my lord.
And since Jahar has not been, no case has been registered as yet.
Yes, my lord.
For further multiple attempts were made to
Well,
contact.
that's
the-
the matter.
No. মাল বিচাৰি
Okay. We can dispose this off.
Lodge.
Yes, my lord. Only thing is that, my lord, till then may be protected, my lord, because
No,
may I submit, my
See,
lord?
by a notice, you cannot be arrested.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Or we'll have this pending then.
Yes,
Let
my
this pen.
it will be pending, my lord.
Heard Sri N.N.B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri S.S. Roy, learned state counsel, full stop. This court wide ordered it 16/3/2026. After considering the grievance of the petitioner, had directed the learned state counsel to obtain instructions with regard to the aspect of registration of any ajahar. Full stop. Sri Roy, the learned state counsel, has placed before this court written instructions dated 19/3/2026, as per which
Last year.
a complaint was received leading to registration of GD entry number 16/26 dated 9/3/2026, and a preliminary inquiry was is going on. Full stop. It is also stated that multiple attempts were made to contact the petitioner over phone, and he was asked to appear before the police station, which, however, was not complied with. Full stop. The Sri Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has, however, submitted that till now no notice
Yes, ma'am.
has been received from
Yes,
the
ma'am.
concerned police station.
Yes,
Full
ma'am.
stop. Para. The written instructions do not reveal that any notice required under section
35.
of the new act 35
New act, madam.
35 of the BN
BNSS.
has been has been issued to the petitioner. Full stop. Para. If the presence of the petitioner is required for conducting the preliminary investigation, let such notice be issued, upon which the petitioner would be under a legal obligation to appear and cooperate in the investigation. Full stop. It is made clear that no, cooperate. Full stop. It is, however, directed that till the next date fixed, the petitioner petitioner is not to be arrested. This court would pass appropriate orders after registration of the formal ajahar, if done.
Next date.
We did give a date. List on today's 19th. Can we have it on 27th? 27?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Prince and much. Within this week, you
Yes, my lord.
appear.
Notice may be served, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? This case, your lordship, the petitioner has put to challenge an order at page 23 passed by the Assam State Commission for Women, your lordship, on the ground that they doesn't have this, it does not have the jurisdiction, your lordship, to pass this order, your lordship.
Can you take this up for disposal?
Lordship,
R3 has not appeared.
not
No,
appeared.
in spite of service.
Lordship.
Oh, yes, who is Mr. Hendricks? We take this for disposal 22 matter, the trivial issue. R3 is your wife, estranged
Yes.
wife. 10,000 has been directed to be deducted.
Deducted. My case is that
Do
the
they have the power?
Such commission does not have the power to, your lordship.
Let us see the commission at the
Not-
end. So I think the objective may be good, bona fide. But if you are not interested, even the powers, these powers are before another authority.
Lordship, I only have one copy, your lordship.
No, name, we'll have the name of the,
So this is your lordship. Assam State Commission for Women Act 1994. Your lordship.
yes, so
Your lordship can take this book,
we'll have this. Amar Ikhwan Hasan,
volume 21, your lordship.
local.
Local Act. Page 170.
No, we'll have it. How it's a short act, I think 4 or 5 pages.
Yes, your lordship, 4 pages,
4 pages. Would like to know.
5 pages.
What is the jurisdiction clause, the name of the act?
Your lordship, Assam State Commission for Women Act 1994. And
Assam State
Section 10,
Commission for
Women Act 1994.
and what is the section
Section
regarding?
10, functions of the commission, your lordship.
Yes. Please read.
Lordship. Functions of the commission shall perform all or any of the following functions, namely, investigate, examine the matters relating, all matters relating to the safeguards provided for women under the Constitution and other laws, present to the state government annually and at such other time as the commission may deem fit, reports upon the working of these safeguards, make in such reports recommendations for the effective implementation of those safeguards in improving the conditions of women by the state, review from time to time the existing provisions of the Constitution and other laws affecting women, and recommend amendments thereof as so as to suggest remedial legislative measures to meet the lacuna, inadequacy, or shortcomings in such legislation, take up the cases of violations of the provisions of the Constitution and other laws relating to women with the appropriate authorities, look into the complaints and take so motu notice in matters relating to deprivation of women's right, non-implementation of laws enacted to provide protection to women and also to achieve objective of equality and development, non-compliance of policy decision guidelines, instructions aimed at mitigating hardships and ensuring welfare and providing relief to women, and take up the issues out of such matter with appropriate authorities, call for special studies or investigation into specific problems or situations arising out of discrimination and atrocities against women, and identify the constraints so as to recommend strategies for their removal, undertake promotional and educational research so as to suggest ways of ensuring representation of women in all spheres, to identify factors responsible.
Yes, you said that there's powers, that this power is not there.
Not specifically.
Yes, Mr. Hendrik. Not a difficult case.
Ten.
Permission.
Permission.
No copy was given earlier.
Lords.
It's there with the record.
Yes, your lordship, there is one judgment of the Honorable Apex Court, your lordship, 2010 8 SCC 633. In this particular case, your lordship, the Honorable Court, the commission directed for paternity test, your DNA test. While dealing with that, your lordship, the power of the State Commission for Women, your lordship, the Honorable Apex Court has held, if your lordship permits me to read
Yes,
that
please,
paragraph.
what is that citation?
Citation, your lordship, 2010 8 SCC 633.
Do you have a copy?
One copy I have, your lordship. That I have brought. It says, your lordship, para 11, if your lordship allow me to read. I will hand over the copy, your lordship.
Yes.
Mr. Ranjan Mukherjee, Learned Counsel for Respondent number
Please give the citation again, 2000.
2010 8 SCC 633. Mr. Ranjan Mukherjee, name your lordship, Bhavani Prasad Jena versus Convener Secretary, Orissa State Commission for Women and another. Paragraph, your lordship, 10 and 11, your lordship.
Okay.
It says, your lordship, Mr. Ranjan Mukherjee, Learned Counsel for Respondent number 2, submitted that once a power has been given to the State Commission to receive complaints, including matter concerning deprivation of women of their rights, it is implied that the State Commission is authorized to decide these complaints. We are afraid no such implied power can be read into Section 10(1)(d) as suggested by the Learned Counsel. The provision contained in Section 10(1)(d) is expressly clear that the State Commission may receive complaints in relation to matter specified therein, and on receipt of such complaints take up the matter with the authorities concerned for appropriate remedial measures. Then, the 1993 Act has not entrusted the State Commission with the power to take up the role of a court or an adjudicatory tribunal.
What is that act?
Lordship?
Which is that act?
That act, your lordship, identical act, your lordship, in respect of Orissa, your lordship. Orissa Women Commission Act, your lordship.
Okay, okay. Oh.
Court as an adjudicatory lordship.
Okay. Yes, we'll interfere with this. An order dated 18/12/2021 passed by the Assam State Commission for Women, whereby the petitioner is directed to pay an amount of rupees 10,000 to the respondent number 3 as maintenance, which is to be deducted every month from his account, is the subject matter of challenge in this petition instituted under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. As per the facts projected, the petitioner is posted as a DUFTRY, DUFTRY, at the Srimanta Shankardev University of Health Science. Full stop. The respondent number 3, who is his estranged wife, had filed a case in the Assam State Commission for Women, within bracket, hereinafter the commission, which was registered as ASCW 53/2021. Full stop. In the said case, wide the impugned order dated 18/12/2021, maintenance has been determined and directed to be paid by way of deduction from the monthly salary of the petitioner. Full stop. Para. I have heard Sri S. Bhattakur, learned counsel for the petitioner. I have also heard Sri J. Handik, learned state counsel. Full stop. So far as response number 3 is concerned, though notices have been served, she has chosen not to contest, not to appear and contest this proceeding. Full stop. In this connection, it would be relevant to place on record the earlier order dated 4/2/2026, as per which the aspect of service of notice upon the response number 3 has been held to be complete. Para. Sri Bhattakur, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has based the challenge on mainly 2 grounds. Full stop. Firstly, he has contended that no opportunity was granted to the petitioner before passing the impugned order. And the second ground is second ground would go to the root of the matter, in as much as he has questioned the jurisdiction and authority of the commission to issue such an order. Full stop. In this regard, the learned counsel has drawn the attention of this court to the Assam State Commission for Women Act 1994. More within bracket, herein after the act. More particularly, section 10 thereof, which deals with regard to the functions of the commission. He has submitted that though various powers and functions have been bestowed upon the commission, the power to grant maintenance has not been bestowed, and therefore there is a serious jurisdictional error in the impugned action. He has also placed on record, he has also relied upon a decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Bhavani Prasad Jaina versus so-and-so, reported in 2010, 8 SCC 633, wherein it has been clearly laid down that the jurisdiction and function of the commission has to be confined to those which are specifically entrusted to it under the Act. He has submitted that that in that case, a direction to constitute a DNA test issued by such a commission was the subject matter of challenge, and the submissions advanced on behalf of the appellant that the same would come within the aspect of examining a complaint has been negated by the Honorable Supreme Court. He has also submitted that though the observations are with regard to the Act of the State of Odisha, the present Act is peri materia, and therefore the principles and ratio would be squarely applicable. Sri Handik, the learned state counsel, has fairly submitted that though the objective of the commission appears to be bona fide, it appears that the commission lacks jurisdiction to pass such an order of maintenance. Full stop, para. The rival submissions, huh? Para. The aspect of maintenance is covered by various statutes, including section 125 of the earlier CRPC, bracketed corresponding to so and so, huh? As well as under the personal laws. Full stop. However, comma, such power of determining maintenance and direction to pay do not appear to have been bestowed upon the commission. Full stop. For any reference, comma, the functions of the commission as laid down in section 10 of the Act are extracted herein below. Full stop, para. On a careful perusal of the said functions, comma, this court has not come across any such powers being bestowed upon the commission to determine and give a direction for payment of maintenance. Full stop. This court is also fortified in the opinion, in the aforesaid opinion, by the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Bhavani Prasad Jana, Supra. Full stop. In the said case, comma, the following observations have been made which would be relevant. Paragraph 10 and 11. Quote coverage. In view of the aforesaid discussion, comma, this court is of the opinion that a case for interference on the ground of jurisdictional error itself is made out, and accordingly, the impugned order dated so and so stands interfered with, and set aside. Full stop. The interim order passed on so and so is accordingly made absolute. Full stop. It is, however, made clear that there will be no restriction on the respondent of 3 to approach the appropriate forum for a prayer with a prayer for maintenance if so advised.
Deep problem. Deep.
Item 4.
Wait, your lordship. My lord, in this case, petitioner prays for a direction, my lord, to the respondents to carry out the orders passed. My lord.
You have filed rejoinder.
My rejoinder is filed, my lord. Case is ready, my lord.
Yeah.
May take it up for disposal.
Can I take it for disposal, Mr.
Yes,
Bhattacharya?
yes.
Mr. Roy?
I just now contact with the circle officer whether the execution has been done or not, because I have received from the police officer they have given to the circle officer to execute the.
Mr. Goswami may have the instruction.
Well, I mean, sir, nothing is been done.
The title suit is going on, my lord.
The title suit is on a different thing, my lord. I will come to that.
Well, yeah,
Yeah, it's full of, my lord, suppression of material facts, my lord.
that's okay, my lord. What is submit? But the question would be here, my lord. The same title deed, same sale deed has been challenged in the title suit, my lord. It is pending. Now, whether this court will have the jurisdiction of the 226 to invoke the 145 and 146.
Then
Because
I will
settled by
come
the
to-
Supreme Court, my lord, in 24.
come to that.
So once it is in the domain of the civil court, nothing going on. I have the decision with me, my lord. Because you
Instructed Lordship, I could request some time whether the execution is done or not.
Okay, we can have it on Monday then. This is a matter.
Monday or Tuesday, my lord.
On Tuesday, there is a division bench. Tuesday, we are not fixing. We have that
Thursday, my lord.
yesterday's matter.
Thursday, my lord.
Thursday, Lordship.
Thursday. Okay, Thursday.
Thursday.
Meantime, I will obtain
Okay.
the.
Heard
My
Sri
instruction is.
B.D. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri S.S. Roy, learned State Council, whereas Sri K. Bhattacharjee, Learned Council, has appeared for the response number 6. Full stop. Sri Roy, the Learned State Council, waits for some more time to have the updated instructions. Full stop. Para, considering the subject matter, while time is granted to the Learned State Council to obtain the instructions, comma, the matter is directed to be listed for admission hearing on Thursday next. Date, huh?
Date.
You want to go 20?
Much of this.
Item 7.
Yes.
Right, please, your lordship. Lordship, this matter is relating to the ex gratia lordship. Lordship petitioner earlier received 1 lakh rupees. Now they claim this additional 2 lakhs rupees.
Under what?
As per this GOP notification, lordship,
Ex gratia for what?
a kill by extremist, lordship.
1999.
Yes, lordship.
You come to the court in 2023.
Lordship.
What explanation? There'll be some explanation.
Actually, lordship is the 2004, they have got first a notification, lordship. They, as per the notification 22/6/2004 issued by GOP of Assam Personal Department, for the ex gratia amount has been enhanced in 3 lakhs or given by the preference victim family GOP, semi-GOP and job benches in divisions in the Gauhati High Court judgment order dated 9/6/2010. First in WPC 3/6/2005 and 2007.
But why are you so late in coming to the court? But how do you get the benefit of a subsequent notification otherwise also? Your death was in 1999.
Yes, lordship.
You will get benefit under the 95 scheme. Now, if there was...
Prior or after both this year?
Yes.
Lordship, as per the notification prior or after, both get the beneficiaries.
But you have already availed of the benefit as per the benefit of 90. And what about the issue of leches 2023?
Yes.
This cannot come to the court. What is your explanation? We dismiss this. What is your name?
A Islam.
Heard Sri A. Islam Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri N. Goswami Learned State Council and Miss P. R. Mohanta Learned Standing Council Revenue Department. Full stop. The claim is with regard to ex gratia payment. Full stop. For ready reference, comma, the relief thought forth in this petition reads as follows, page 17, relief. As per the facts projected, comma, please have your seat. The petitioner the petitioner's husband was killed by extremists on what is your synopsis? What is your averment? Averment, you make some correction in hand. Synopsis, you said he died on 4/3/1999. Averment says 25/5/2005. This cut page job will not do, Mr. Islam.
Lordship.
And this petitioner's husband is not there. Who's the petitioner? Some John is there.
Lordship, page number 26, Lordship.
What is
Earlier
page number
self-elected-
26? Who is the petitioner?
John postulate.
John, who is John? John is a lady.
Ladies, no, Lordship, brother.
Brother, then what have you stated? The petitioner begs to the husband of the petitioner.
Melody.
Paragraph 2. What is paragraph 2?
Yes, Lordship. Husband of the petitioners.
Then
The affidavit, son of.
do not present a petition like this, Mr. Islam. You see? On killed by extremists, full stop. There is also a major difference in the date, full stop. While in the synopsis, the date of death has been stated to be 4/3/1999, comma. In paragraph 2 of the petition, the date has been corrected by hand as 27/5/2005 without any endorsement. Full stop. This court has also noted that in paragraph 2, it has been stated that the husband of the petitioner was killed, whereas the petitioner appears to be, whereas in the affidavit, the deponent, the petitioner is the deponent who describes himself to be the son of one Vinay Pasulit, Full stop. In paragraph 2, comma, it has also been stated that the husband of the petitioner was killed by extremists and earlier ex gratia amount was paid to Srimati Anima Deb. Full stop. Para. It clearly appears, apart from the aspect of approaching this court after an inordinate delay of more than 2 decades, which is unexplained, comma, the petition has been presented with facts which are wholly inconsistent. Full stop. It clearly shows a callous manner of presenting a petition to invoke the jurisdiction of this court under 226 of the under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, whereby the entire sanctity of the court proceeding has been adversely affected. Full stop. Para. This court is of the opinion that no relief of any nature is entitled to by the petitioner, and accordingly, the petition is dismissed. You'll be lucky that we are not imposing heavy cost upon you. Don't present petitions like this. Item 8. Item 8. M. Hussain, R. I. Mandal, M. Khan, A. K. Mullah. Justice, Honorable Justice Surana's judgment, what is the name? None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas Sri P.J. Talukdar, Learned Edition Senior Government Advocate Assam, assisted by Sri P.K. Methi and Ms. P.R. Mahanta, Standing Council Revenue Department, are present. Full stop. Both the Learned Council for the respondents have, however, submitted that no relief can be granted to the petitioner in view of the judgment dated 21/6/2024 passed in WPC 270023. Name Manisa. Monisa KHATUN versus State of Assam. Put the para. Be that as it may, in absence of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, no orders are passed touching upon the merits, and another opportunity is granted. Full stop. List. Matter is accordingly directed to be listed on Monday next. Full stop. In case of further default on the part of the petitioner, this court would pass appropriate orders. Yes, item 10. This court has been informed that the lead counsel in this case has passed away, and Ms. D. Buragohan, and it appears that no new set of counsel has been appointed. Full stop. Let the registry issue a notice to the petitioner informing the same so as to enable the petitioner to engage a new set of counsel. List after 4 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship?
11.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, this matter, as per Monisha.
Okay.
They have an alternative remedy, my lord, for the malad at MSCT.
Okay. Madam Monisha, heard Sri S.I. Akan, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri V. Hendrik, learned state counsel, and Miss P.R. Mohta, learned standing counsel, revenue department. Full stop. Considering the facts and circumstances and also the aspect that the issue has been decided by a coordinate bench, this matter is taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Full stop. The matter is with regard to a claim for ex gratia of rupees 2 lakh in terms of a notification dated 15/11/2014. Full stop. It is contended by Sri Akand that the husband of the petitioner, Onil Boro, had died on 17/8/2019 in a road traffic accident which had occurred 15/8/2019. Full stop. Notice was issued in this case on 20/12/2023. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has, however, fairly informed this court that in the meantime, the issue was taken up for consideration by a coordinate bench in the case of Monisha Khatun versus State of Assam, WPC
27/2023,
in which by judgment and order dated so-and-so,
21/6/2020.
the learned coordinate bench has held that since a statute, namely the Motor Vehicles Act, provides for an alternative remedy to seek compensation, a parallel proceeding, a parallel claim would not be maintainable for a case of motor accidents. Full stop. Para. For any reference, the relevant observations are extracted herein below. Full stop. Para. This court is of the view that there is no reason to differ with the aforesaid findings. Full stop. Accordingly, the instant petition stands dismissed, however, with liberty to the petitioner to approach the appropriate administrative tribunal if not done in the meantime.
Surplus.
Please hand over a copy.
14 and 15.
May I please, Your Lordship? Matter regarding the permission to file appeal, my lord, though it's 212 days in.
What is it, madam?
It's a prayer for allowing to file appeal, my lord.
You are aggrieved by an order in original. Then you have not filed the appeal.
Yes, my lord, for some.
Barred by time.
Yes, barred by time.
Thereafter?
We have not filed the reply also to the DRC 01 in item number 14 and item number regarding.
The show cause was not replied to.
In item number 14, we have not replied, but in 15, we have replied. And after that, my lord, there are
15 is for a different period.
15 is for 18-19 for assessment.
And 14?
14 is 2021.
Different period.
Different period.
In 14, you have not replied to the show cause.
Yes, my lord.
Now, what are you aggrieved? Why have you come to the court?
My lord, to file appeal, permission to file appeal before the appellate authority.
Well, you don't need permission from the court. Those are time barred, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
We have received our instructions, my lord, and our affidavit is ready, my lord.
Hmm?
Our affidavit is ready, my lord.
You file your affidavit 25 matter date, but we may allow them to file the appeal. You consider on merits, you may reject it or different, but
Yes, my lord.
you have to, what are your reasons for not filing the appeal in time?
Medical grounds and.
Medical grounds?
And court, yes. My lord.
You are a firm who was unwell.
The petitioner as well as his father, my lord.
No, you are a
Firm.
firm, aren't you? It's
Yes,
a
yes, my lord.
proprietorship firm.
Proprietorship firm.
He wasn't, the petitioner was
Yes,
not
he
well.
was not
My lord,
well.
may I produce our instructions before this honorable?
What is it?
Now, there are some preliminary submissions, my lord, made by our department, my lord.
Regarding delay?
Delay, my lord.
Then you file your affidavit.
My lord.
Madam?
Short. In the meantime, what happened, my lord? They have started debit from their accounts regarding the tax amount and all this. I don't know for which the period.
But there is no
No interim order, no
you
interim.
file your affidavit for by an early date. We'll try to have this disposed of in the admission column itself.
2 days?
Hmm.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Next week, fixed date maybe.
Third, Miss N. Gugoi, learned counsel for the petitioners. There are also heard 3 H. Barua, learned standing counsel, finance and taxation department, who has submitted that written instructions have been received, based upon which affidavits would be filed. Full stop. Let such affidavits be filed within a period of 2 weeks.
Well, 2 days, 2 days.
2 days. Ready?
Ready, my
Oh.
lord.
They have taken 2 times.
No, don't say. No, keep below. Also heard 3 H. Borough, who has submitted. Who has submitted that based on the written instructions, comma, and affidavits have been prepared, which would be filed shortly. Full stop. Para. Let such affidavit be filed and the matters be listed for admission. When, madam?
My lord, before 30th.
Before?
38th of March. Next week.
Okay, next we can try on 26.
Right.
26.
Yes, ma'am.
Highly obliged.
The affidavits filed are directed to be tagged with the records.
Highly obliged.
Item 16 and 17.
Oh, no, it says 14 matters. Why is it
The matter
pending?
pertains to, my lord, a statutory obligation of conducting delimitation in the Tiwa Autonomous Council. my lord.
Some instructions have come, right?
Redressed.
Not
Mr.
yet, my lord.
Mazumdar?
We have been
Redressed.
waiting since 2021.
My lord, now what is required is, their grievance is there. There are 6 constituencies where the population of non-tribal is more than 50%. So technically, that cannot come within the autonomous council. So for that, my lord, delimitation exercise was to be undertaken in order to find out, my lord. Lord, will you kindly see now, after ultimately new act has come, then initially the 2025 act itself was amended to increase the number of constituencies from 36 to 38. Now they say that my deliberations with stakeholders as well as delimitation exercise for the new council has been put on hold due to imposition of the model code of conduct. So till the elections, my lord, this delimitation exercise cannot be undertaken.
You are praying for delimitation.
Well, it is a statutory obligation. my lord. Section 48 very clearly says, and what, as my learned friend has rightly pointed out, 6 constituencies where
But by this they have given tacit approval to the aspect of delimitation.
that they have been saying for the last 5 years. my lord.
Is it? So
In fact, there are several documents on.
So on a lighter vein, this MCC is for 2026 election or 2031 election?
There are definitely political angles are there and so many aspects are there. Madam.
We have to rise above political
Yes.
things.
No, but this thing, this is something, madam. This is delimitation exercise. This
Okay,
has
we'll
been-
have it immediately after the
Elections.
Okay. Third, Shri I. Chaudhary, Run Senior Counsel, assisted by Shri A.K. Barua for the petitioners. Also heard Shri D. Mazumdar, learned AAG Assam, along with Shri R. Dhar, learned counsel, learned state, learned standing counsel, tribal affairs department. Para? Shri while Shri Chaudhary, the learned senior counsel for the petitioners.
My lord, I am in item number 16, my.
You are also there, 16?
Yes.
Okay.
I guess this, my lord, 2014 matter.
Essay. Oh, yeah. Okay. We'll grant some time. Okay. Essay Ahmed. You are Essay Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Essay Ahmed, item number so and so. I chose it. That's what you are. The learned counsel for the petitioners have submitted that the prayers made in the petitions are part of the constitutional obligation, which have been deferred without any reasonable grounds. Full stop. The written instructions dated 18/3/2026, however, states that the exercise has been put to hold due to imposition of Model Code of Conduct, written by MCC. Full stop. Para. Considering the above, comma, the matters are adjourned to be listed after listed. When will be the Model Code of Conduct be over?
Fourth, I think is the
Listed on 21st of April. Listed immediately after the Bihu vacation on 21st of April 2026.
let it be after 4th May. My result is on 4th of May. Before this exercise, because
listed till the election process is over. Put the as agreed to list on 11th of May.
in the committee, my minister is also there.
11 May.
All right.
Okay.
Wait, please, your lordship. But in this matter, my lord, I will be filing my wakalatnama, my lord, today, my lord. Can this matter be taken up next week, my lord?
You for whom? Petitioner?
Petitioner, my lord.
And what about the IA?
IA for modification of order dated. There is a order dated, lordship. 22 or 10/10/2018, lordship.
Then let him get the power, then we'll
Yes,
hear Mr. Das. Earlier, who was the petitioner?
R.R. Kaushik, my lord.
Another council is there.
R.R. Kaushik.
We, as Das Learned Council has submitted that there are certain change in the council of the petitioners, and he has been instructed to appear, and the power would be filed during the course of the day. Full stop. Para. Also heard Shri N.J. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the respond number
3 and 5.
3 and 5, who has, however, expressed urgency in the matter. Para. Considering the above, while this matter is adjourned to enable Sri Das, the Learned Counsel, to file his power, comma, the same is directed to be listed
Monday, my lord.
on Wednesday.
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 Highly august.
Date.